Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Clawrenzo from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. And then let's draw another circle inside on the top right. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now underneath each of the eyes, let's draw 2 curves down. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. In between, let's draw a curve across. And then we're going to hop out and let's continue it on both sides by bringing it down. Next, let's hop in between and let's draw 2 curves, leaving a gap in the center. Now from the bottom of each line, let's curve it down. And then a longer curve down next to it. Now to close off the end, let's angle it up and back down. Now let's hop back up and let's continue the shape of the head. From both sides, let's continue the curve in. And continue it in the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Now in the middle here, let's draw a long point down and up. Another one on each side. And then one more to fill in the gap. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop out and let's draw the collar. Let's start on top and let's draw another curve across in between the eyes. And then continue it on the other side, curving it down and in, like this. Now on the top left, let's draw a bump, and the same on the right side. Then let's hop down and let's draw one more on each side. And that's it for the collar. Now let's hop out and let's start drawing the body. Let's start with a small curve on top in the middle. Then from the ends, let's angle it down and out. And then bring it down next to each of the eyes. Now from the ends, we're going to step up from the bottom and we're going to bring it out and down. And then let's curve it back in underneath like this. And that's it for the top part of the body. Now let's continue the body underneath. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath both sides. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now on the sides of the body here, let's draw the legs. Let's start on the sides near the top and let's draw a line out, a bump underneath and up. And then curve it back in. Now let's add 2 more legs underneath each side in the same way. Now at the bottom, let's add another set of legs by bringing it out, a bump down, and curve it back up. Then underneath, for the next leg, let's draw a curve down and up underneath the body here. And then 1 more set with a smaller bump like this. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, we're going to hop out and draw the arms. Let's hop back up to the top and let's draw an angle down. And curve it back up underneath. Now for the next part of the arm, let's draw a curve down underneath each side. Then from the top, let's curve it out. And bring it back down. And close it off with a curve across. Now for the claws, let's start inside and let's draw a wavy line down. And curve it up at the bottom. Next, let's hop back up and let's draw a curve down and out at the top here. And then from the end, we're going to curve it down and in, leaving a small gap. And then close it off by curving it up. And that's it for Clawrenzo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!